Good morning, I'm Mariah Kaminsky. Welcome to my Cirque show. We're downtown Durango, Colorado at Animas Chocolate Company. And let me turn the camera around so you can see downtown Durango, what a gorgeous, gorgeous blue sky morning it is. Beautiful day downtown Durango, Colorado. Animas Chocolate Company has an excellent location and storefront. And they have brought me in to curate the local community gallery walls right here at the storefront walls. Couldn't ask for a better location downtown Durango in such a beautiful storefront. Let's go on in and see the show. Here we are inside Animas Chocolate Company. This actually used to be a candy store quite a long time ago originally. You can see here the original soda fountain bar. Pretty awesome that it's now still a candy store, just specifically chocolate. They also do espresso beverages. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous store downtown Durango. Look at that ceiling. Local owners, Carly and Mark Snyder. So we're going to start over here with the sisters. This is Naomi and Haley. First up is Naomi. She was also the subject of the painting The Waterfall that sold earlier this month. So it's not included in this show. Detail of her, let's get a detail of her face. And this costume, painted twice. Took me quite a long time, both times. I particularly like the color scheme, the palette of this piece. And as many of you know, about a year ago, I had a photo shoot with about 7 of these ladies of the Durango Circus out on our property in Bayfield. They came and set up their portable rig with the aerial loop and the silk and did some performances for me while I took photo references for paintings. Super inspiring and talented troupe. There's a detail of Haley in poise. A lot of you that follow me know that this is my favorite challenge to paint in every figurative work or portrait work is the hair. So fun. My signature. One really cool thing about these linen panels that I get from Artifacts in California is the frame choices. A lot of you artists will attest to canvas depth frames. You're kind of limited on your options a lot of the time, and they're much more expensive. With the linen panels, options open extremely. I can have some fun with the choices of frames per painting. Go on over to the other side. It's just such great storefront. Look at this. I mean, they don't even have to be open for people to come view the paintings. They're right there. This is Nadine in a piece called The Butterfly. I'm not sure if they officially call this pose that, but I did. And then I took it a step further with the butterfly pattern on the silk. This one is actually oil on canvas instead of the linen panel. It's before I discovered the linen panels. Next up, we have Chloe. Chloe has since moved to Austin, Texas. I'm sure the troupe misses her terribly. I think she's still involved virtually. Another super talented young performer. I think she was 12 here. I'm going to show you one detail that you probably miss in all the photos online. This actually was in the reference photo with the Band-Aid coming off her finger, and I kept it for two very specific reasons. The first, just to signify what these performers go through for their art, and second, to signify Chloe herself, her struggle that she has overcome with childhood leukemia. Huge congratulations to her for being cancer-free. Look at this strong girl. This one's called Strength. There's a detail of the frame. One of the super fun choices. This one is available through 33 Contemporary. I will leave the link here if you're interested in purchasing. And this one's called The Hug. This is Nadine and Cynthia. This one is currently available through 33 Contemporary Gallery. I will leave the link. And it is part of their online show called Shelter, which is very time specific to what we're all experiencing right now. They are performing on what is called an aerial hoop, or lyra. A close-up of their feet here. This is one of my biggest challenges in any piece. And again, leaving the injuries as a symbol of what these women will do for their art. And last, we have Miss Cynthia. This one's kind of hard to see in this light. We have such great light coming off the street. Let's just do some close-ups here. Cynthia is also a teacher with Durango Aerial Arts and Acrobatics. Durango Aerial Arts and Acrobatics, yeah. Detail of her hands and her hair. I like this piece a lot. Super joyful and uplifting. I just can't imagine you can look at this piece and not smile. And once again, keeping the injury as a reminder of what we all overcome for what we love. I learned a lot about painting silk and fabric in this series. I really hadn't done a lot of it before this. It's been quite a challenge, but really enjoyable. So you can find all of these pieces on my website, in my website store. If you're local, either just drop me an email if you're interested, or if you buy through the website, just remember to add that local only code, LOCAL. That way you won't be charged shipping, and I will deliver it personally to your home. If you're not local and you want to try it out on your wall, I can also make that happen virtually. Just give me an email. And that's the show. This series will continue. I actually have another one of Chloe on my easel as we speak. we're hoping to do some sort of very large event that includes performances with the Durango Circus. Maybe when things open up a little bit more. We were supposed to do it for this show, but I just couldn't justify it with everything that's going on right now. So another time we will have a big, amazing event. For now, I get to share it with you virtually, and if you're local, please come on by and see them in person. Have a great day.